So we're going to go into single leg balance here. The first thing we want to make sure is that the feet are parallel. If we turn the feet out, you can immediately see that the arch of the foot becomes lower to the ground, and it's going to affect things up chain at the hip and the knee. So let's bring the feet back to parallel. And then we want to have a tripod of stability with this on the ground, with the fifth metatarsal head on the ground and the heel on the ground. So let's come up into single leg balance. We want to be driving stability through the big toe. So you saw right away that her first metatarsal head wanted to come off. So we want to drive through the long flexor of the big toe, meaning pressing down here without knuckling or without curling, because that creates a pseudo arch where that will raise and you're only relying on the muscles. We also don't want to rock inwards because then we lose the arch and the outside of the foot comes off. That's our single leg balance.